See, I don't even know why the heck the front dry shaft's out like that.
I guess you would ask yourself, what the fuck? Yeah, a little bit brokey. Broke the tractor clear in two. Holy shit. That's just like a slip joint. But yeah, it's busted.
They've had it broke right there before,
yeah.
too.
Right, but that's like I said, that's from that bucket bouncing. But yeah, they had her all welded up right there. But now she's way worse now than what it was, I would say, at that point in time. I'd say it just broke this ear off.
We're gonna suck her back together.
Should have maybe did a little bit more bracing from like here back to somewhere in there. But the problem is now we got to get it out of the field. This camera is like...
Somebody just standing there watching with the video camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of help.
Yeah. Don't want me to spill my beer though, that's your job too.
TC33d taco shell. Clean, one owner, just got a few hours on her. Ready to go to a new home and buy a real tractor. Whatever a real tractor is. Why didn't you just hook it into that loop, that loose there that you had? Because it just unhooked now. There, hook it. Just hook it into this.
Yeah, I got her.
Yeah, if you'd have just hooked it into that, now you're going to have to do something with this.
I don't care about that. This is my pig.
You can roast it and eat it too, I guess.
That one extra guy though, you know, that's always a kicker. He's behind the camera.
It'd be a lot better if this was like a $1,500 tractor. Like it is now, on a good day. And if you really needed parts off of it. Yeah, she's... Wonder what it's gonna do. You can definitely see it closing in right there, but... I think you're good. Well, never mind. I guess you got a lot farther. Whoa. She's moving in the foot box or something there, yeah. I mean, pretty much if we can just get it
Out of here?
a little bit better, yeah, to get it out of here. But now we might have to hook up the jumper cables. You got clutch?
I got clutch.
Okay, it just goes clear to the floor. Whoa! Starter's a little hot, I think. Ah. She was a little sparky right around the old starter there.
You forgot to explain to him though that the starter was bad before all this.
No, it's clean one owner, low hours.
Yeah. Only in Missouri.
$5,000 tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason there she was like kind of a little hot looking down on them hose clamps, but I'm going to say we just need to get the old jumper cables hooked up to her and hopefully she'll start up.
Yep. Get her out of here.
Put her back in the shed. No, it's going to have to like completely come apart. Need a whole new frame, I think.
Yeah, tires are still good. Put everything new around it.
Yeah, I'm sure they'd only charge you $5,000 for the frame. Got the side-by-side out so that way we can jump start the tractor again, because he kind of broke it in half. So we come along it back together. Then we're gonna put it on a trailer. And you know, everybody likes seeing the guy behind the camera once in a while. Everybody likes seeing the guy that was behind the camera. Side crew, pit crew. She got beer. Oh yeah. She broke right down there. Didn't look nearly as bad now with that Kevlar on, but she pretty much just raised the floorboard right up. Yeah, this is real good. Yeah, nothing nice. Dude, I don't think clutch works no more.
Ow.
You got pulling cables as soon as she fires. Yeah. Watch it go. Sit back, bro.
Tipper, come on. Hey, girls, stay away from the sidewalk. Okay.
We got her back started again. The old come along boy here. See if we can get her up on the trailer. Then maybe we can get her home and do something with it. I don't know really what we're planning on doing once we get it. What a mess. I'd just leave it like it was. Hey, you're buckling it up more, I think. I don't know if I'd do that or not. Well, keep going. I guess go on down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Like I said, I probably would have just left it alone.
I hated to leave it up in the air for you.
Yeah, but then we could actually like unload it somewhere. Now we're kind of back to broke state again.
I smell hydraulic oil though.
Oh yeah, it's dripping shit. Dripping stuff big time now. That's motor oil.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, oh, that's motor oil. That ain't good. She apparently binding something up in the bottom of her.
All the way out. That's why I wanted to get it set.
No, it didn't start doing that until...
It's right here. It's on the trailer.
I know, but I think it just running down the trailer, don't you think?
No. It's right back here. It started right here as soon as I started going on that trailer.
I see.
Oh, it was right
Well.
here. That's right turn.
I don't know. Apparently it was leaking the whole time. It's right here too.
Son of a bitch, at least we got it on there.
She is on the trailer.
That was a good idea.
Which part?
Getting the damn trailer over here, because this thing wouldn't have made it any further than this.
Oh no, it wasn't gonna make it very far. I don't know what was grinding so much. Whenever you let all that down, you know?
I don't know either.
Clutch or something in there. I don't know what's what all is contained within that housing.
I was just trying to get the pressure off right in here.
Well, apparently we're gonna have to try to get the bucket and everything off of it next.
Yep. I'll have to put some chain come along.
Quick connect.
Bars.
No, we're gonna. Well, yeah, maybe up to
Here,
up to like the
there.
front axle or
Get
something.
everything sucked back together if we can.
I don't know, gotta do a little investigating on the old interweb. You would think somebody else has had this problem before.
They probably sold it to you.
Yeah, they just busted one mount off of it and then sold it. See, we just went ahead and busted her clear too. If you're gonna send her, you gotta send her. All right. Let's go eat some supper.